Have you ever met someone who seems to defy time? For me, that person is my grandmother, Elena. At 68, she moves with the energy of someone decades younger, her skin radiant and her hands strong. People always ask her secret, expecting some luxury product or expensive treatment. She just smiles and leads them to her garden, where her real secret grows, aloe vera. Her remedy is simple, fresh aloe vera gel mixed with pure sea salt. No chemicals, no fancy brands, just 2 natural ingredients. She uses this mixture on her face for glowing skin and on her joints to soothe aches. Her philosophy, nature provides everything we need to heal and thrive. While others chase trends, she finds her miracles in the soil. This tradition has been passed down in our family for generations. Her story reminds us that the best solutions are often the simplest, right in our own backyards. The combination of aloe and sea salt is her timeless fountain of youth. It's a treasure she shares with anyone willing to listen. Sometimes, the most profound answers are the ones growing quietly at home. Why is aloe vera and sea salt such a powerful duo? It's nature's chemistry at work. My grandmother calls it her 2-ingredient miracle because it tackles both aging skin and joint pain. Instead of a shelf full of products, she uses one simple, homemade paste. Aloe vera hydrates and heals. Sea salt delivers essential minerals and cleanses. Together they reduce inflammation, the root of wrinkles and aches. This remedy is pure, simple, and backed by both tradition and science. It's not about masking symptoms, but nourishing your body deeply. The synergy of these ingredients is a holistic approach to wellness. Sometimes the best solutions are the most natural. Aloe vera is often called the plant of immortality. Its gel is packed with vitamins, minerals, and amino acids that stimulate collagen production. Collagen keeps skin firm and elastic, but we lose it as we age. Aloe's antioxidants protect and encourage new collagen, while its mucopolysaccharides lock in moisture. Studies show aloe increases fibroblasts, the cells that make collagen and elastin. The result? Firmer, more resilient skin. Aloe's anti-inflammatory enzymes also soothe irritation and joint pain. It's a true multitasker, healing from the inside out. My grandmother's skin is living proof of its power. She's feeding her skin exactly what it needs to rebuild. Aloe vera is more than a beauty aid. It's a foundation for lasting health. Now, let's talk about sea salt, the other half of this remedy. Unlike table salt, unrefined sea salt is loaded with minerals like magnesium, calcium, and zinc. These minerals are vital for skin repair and overall health. Sea salt gently exfoliates, unclogs pores, and boosts circulation, letting aloe's nutrients sink deeper. Its minerals draw out toxins, reduce breakouts, and strengthen the skin barrier. Magnesium, especially, calms inflammation and hydrates skin. For joints, these minerals relax muscles and ease swelling. When massaged in, the salt's minerals are absorbed, delivering relief right where it's needed. Simple, natural, and incredibly effective. Ready to try it? Making the aloe and sea salt paste is easy. Use the freshest ingredients, grow your own aloe if you can, and choose coarse, unrefined sea salt. You'll need 1 large aloe leaf and a tablespoon of sea salt. Cut the aloe leaf, let the yellow latex drain, then slice off the edges and open it lengthwise. Scoop out the clear gel into a bowl. Add the sea salt and mash together until you have a gritty, gel-like paste. The salt won't dissolve completely. That's good for gentle exfoliation. Use clean hands and utensils to keep it pure. You can use the paste right away or store it in the fridge for up to a week. That's it, no complicated steps, just nature's best. This simple preparation is the heart of my grandmother's routine. It's quick, effective, and connects you to the healing power of plants and minerals. With just a few minutes, you have a remedy for both beauty and relief. Sometimes, the simplest recipes are the most powerful. Give it a try and see the difference for yourself. Now, let's use your fresh aloe and sea salt paste. For glowing skin, start with a clean face. Gently massage a thin layer onto your face and neck in upward circles, avoiding the eyes. Let it sit for 10-15 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water and pat dry. Your skin will feel soft, smooth, and hydrated. My grandmother does this 2 to 3 times a week for lasting results. For joint relief, massage a generous amount into sore areas. Knees, elbows, hands. Use firm, circular motions to boost blood flow and absorption. Leave it on for 20-30 minutes or wrap with a warm towel for deeper relief. Rinse off and repeat as needed. This simple ritual soothes aches and restores your skin's natural glow. Listen to your body, and adjust as needed. Consistency is key for the best results. What's the science behind this remedy? Sea salt exfoliates, opening pathways for aloe's nutrients to penetrate deep into the skin. Aloe's plant hormones and vitamin C stimulate fibroblasts, boosting collagen and elastin. This means firmer, younger-looking skin. Aloe's anti-inflammatory compounds and sea salt's magnesium calm irritation and reduce swelling. The minerals are absorbed through the skin, replenishing and detoxifying at the same time. This dual action reduces puffiness, soothes joints and nourishes at a cellular level. It's not magic, it's biochemistry in action. The result, healthier skin and happier joints naturally. That's the real secret behind my grandmother's glow. Even natural remedies need a gentle approach. If you have sensitive skin, do a patch test first. Try using finely ground sea salt or pink Himalayan salt for a milder touch. Adjust the ratio, more aloe, less salt, for extra gentleness. Start with shorter application times and increase as your skin adapts. My grandmother always says, nature is powerful but patient. Listen to your body and let healing be a gentle, consistent practice. This remedy is more than a beauty tip, it's a way to connect with nature's wisdom. Grow an aloe plant, pick up some sea salt, and take a few minutes for yourself. Whether you want glowing skin, pain relief, or a natural wellness ritual, this is a wonderful place to start. Share your experience and join a community built on timeless wisdom. Sometimes, the simplest traditions are the most profound. Let nature's gifts guide your journey to health and beauty.